Welcome to Mama T's Phonics with Abigail. Hello everyone. My name's Abigail. I learn letters at this way. Do you want to learn with me? Just learn phonics. 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 Mama T loves phonics. Let's learn the R sound. Phonics.
Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
I know. Now it's time to sing. La 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 la. See my puppy wrapped around. See my puppy wrapped around when he pulls so hard. Again. See my puppy wrapped around. See my puppy wrapped around when he pulls so hard. I know. Let's say it. Yes, say it. Here is Ralph. Ralph is my puppy. Ralph. Reaper. Rag. Rep. Rod. Reese. Rate. Radio. Rat. Rabbit. Well done. Now it's time to write. That's right.
Start at the top, go down, back up and over to make a little arch, but it doesn't touch the bottom. Let's try again. Wow, well done. You've written a very good
Just find it.
What begins with Oh yes, a rat. Rat. Anything else? A beautiful rose. Wow. Red rose. And a rainbow. So many colours in that rainbow. And a rubber. I can see something else. Can you find it? Yes, a radio. Radio.
Well done. I know. Now it's time to make a accent. Make a sound. Is for fun. is for run. I like to run on the beach. Ready, steady, run on the beach. Oh, I'm at the restaurant. Restaurant. I had really yummy restaurant food. Look, it's yummy. I saw red fish. Red, my favorite color. This is my ride. This ride's fast. Look at the reindeer. It's reindeer. Well done. You led the sound. You are so clever. Well done. And I love you so much.
If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.
Come back for next video and subscribe.